यहाँ जितना देर होता है is am are has have as plus one can
Can.
बोलो
Is am or has have s plus one? Can.
past होता है was were had as plus two could would
Was or had s plus two could would.
future होता है will and shall
Will or shall.
grammar is mainly the proper use of verb form
Okay.
बोलो
Grammar is mainly the proper use of verb from
form
forms.
verb की फॉर्मों का सही इस्तेमाल से है
Sorry.
वही ज्यादातर ग्रामर यही होती है ठीक है
Okay.
पहली फॉर्म किनके साथ आती है
Will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, do, does, did.
okay second form
No helping verb.
third form
Has, have, had, been. और third form.
इनके साथ मैसेज करना
Is, am, are, was, were, be, been.
इनके
और
साथ
ing और third
इनके
form.
साथ ing फॉर्म आएगी या थर्ड फॉर्म आएगी
Third form.
इनके साथ ing फॉर्म आई तो आपका ये हुआ आपका नेगेटिव वाइज
सही.
अगर इनके साथ थर्ड फॉर्म आ गई तो ये होगा आपका पैसिव वाइज ठीक है
सही.
ये वाला काम करने वाला है तो ing फॉर्म काम करने वाला नहीं है तो थर्ड फॉर्म बाद में भी वही है टेंशन जो है ग्रामर के बारे में वही लिखा हुआ है टेंशन के बारे में है हाँ जी वो लिखता है
He writes.
वो लिख रहा है
He is writing.
वो लिख चुका है
He has written.
वो लिखता रहा है
He has been writing.
he has been writing ओके ये वो लिख सकता है he can write ठीक
He
है
can write.
दोबारा से वो लिखता है
He writes.
वो लिख रहा है
He is writing.
वो लिख चुका है
He has written.
वो लिखता रहा है
He has been writing.
वो लिख सकता है
He can write.
हाँ लिखा तो लिखा जाता है
Letter is written.
बात लिखा जा रहा है
Letter is being written.
बात लिखा जा चुका है
Letter has been written.
बात लिखा जाता रहा है
The letter has been being written.
बात लिखा जा सकता है
Letter could be written. Letter can be written.
पास्ट उसने लिखा
He wrote.
वो लिख रहा था
He was writing.
वो लिख चुका था
He had written.
वो लिखता रहा था
He had been writing.
वो लिख सकता था
He could write.
बात लिखा गया
Letter was written.
बात लिखा जा रहा था
Letter was being written.
बात लिखा जा चुका था
Letter had been written.
बात लिखा जाता रहा था
Letter had been being written.
बात लिखा जा सकता था
Letter could be written.
हाँ जी वो लिखेगा
He will read, write.
वो लिख रहा होगा
He will be writing.
वो लिख चुका होगा
He will have written.
वो लिखता रहा होगा
He will have been writing.
वो लिख सकेगा
He will be able to write.
हाँ लिखा तो लिखा जाएगा
Letter will be written.
बात लिखा जा रहा होगा
Letter will have been written.
बात लिखा जाता रहा होगा
Letter will have been being written. Letter will have been written.
बात लिखा जा चुका होगा
Letter will have been being written.
दोबारा से हाँ जी खत लिखा जाएगा
Letter will be written.
खत लिखा जा रहा होगा
Letter will be being written.
खत लिखा जा चुका होगा
Letter will have been written.
खत लिखा जाता रहा
Letter will have been being written.
Good. Do you?
Yes, I.
Are you?
Yes, I am.
Have you?
Yes, I have.
Have you been?
Yes, I have been.
Can you?
Yes, I can.
Did you?
Yes, I read.
Were you?
Yes, I was.
Had you?
Yes, I had.
Had you been?
Yes, I had been.
Could you?
Yes, I could.
Did you?
Yes, I will.
Will you be?
Yes, I will be.
Will you have?
Yes, I will have.
I will have a.
Yes, I will have.
Will you have been?
Yes, I will have been.
Okay. Will you be able to?
Yes, I will be able to.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Is it being?
Yes, it is being.
Has it been?
Yes, it has been.
Has it been being?
Yes, it has been being.
Can it be?
Yes, it can be.
Was it?
Yes, it was.
Was it being?
Yes, it was being.
Had it been?
Yes, it had been.
Had it been being?
Yes, it had been being.
Could it be?
Yes, it could be.
Will it be?
Yes, it will be.
Will it be being?
Yes, it will be being.
Will it have been?
Yes, it will have been.
Will it have been being?
Yes, it will have been being.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Are you watching TV?
Yes, I am watching TV.
Have you watched TV?
Yes, I have watched TV.
Have you been watching TV?
Yes, I have been watching TV.
Have you watched TV?
Yes, I can watch TV.
Did you watch TV?
Yes, I did watch TV.
Are you watching TV?
Yes, I was watching TV.
Had you watched TV?
Yes, I had watched TV.
Had you been watching TV?
Had you been watching TV?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I had watching TV. Yes, I had been watching TV.
Could you watch TV?
Yes, I could watch TV.
Will you watch TV?
Yes, I will watch TV.
Will you be watching TV?
Yes, I will be watching TV.
Will you have watched TV?
Yes, I will. Yes, I will have watched TV.
Will you have been watching TV?
Yes, I have will. Yes, I will have watching TV.
Say again.
Yes, I. Yes, I will. Yes, I will have been watching TV.
Will you be able to watch TV?
Yes, I will be able to watch TV.
Is cricket played?
Cricket is played.
Is cricket being played?
Cricket is being played.
Has cricket been played?
Cricket? Yes, cricket has been played.
Has cricket been being played?
Yes, cricket has been being played.
Can cricket be played?
Yes, cricket can be played.
Will cricket be? Was cricket played?
Yes, cricket was be played.
Was cricket played?
Yes, cricket was played.
Was cricket being played?
Yes, cricket was being played.
Had cricket been played?
Yes, cricket has been played.
Has been.
Yes, cricket had been played.
Okay. Had cricket been being played?
Yes, cricket had been being played.
Could cricket be played?
Yes, cricket could be played.
Will cricket be played?
Yes, cricket will be played.
Will cricket be being played?
Yes, cricket will be played. Yes, cricket will be being played.
Will cricket have been played?
Yes, cricket will have been being played. Yes, cricket will have been played.
Will cricket have been being played?
Yes, cricket will have been being played.
Should cricket be played?
Yes, cricket should be played.
Must cricket be played?
Yes, cricket must be played.
People. ओके लेस्ट ऐसा ना हो ठीक है लेस्ट का मतलब होता है ऐसा ना हो
ऐसा ना हो.
तेज भागो कहीं वो तुम्हें पकड़ ना ले
Run fast, last he should get you.
क्या तुम तक पहुंचे हाथ से पकड़ लेता है फिर
पकड़ना
पहुंचना कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि तुम्हें वहां जाना पड़े।
Let's go should have you have to go there.
Lest you should have to go there, ठीक है। have to करना पड़ता होता है, नहीं है।
Sorry.
कहीं मैं नाकाम ना हो जाऊं।
Let's I fail.
Lest you fail, ठीक है। और उसके बाद है मेहनत करो, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि तुम पीछे रह जाओ।
Work should
और hard,
work hard. Last you should get behind.
नीचे आ जाओ, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि तुम गिर जाओ।
Calm down. Last you fail.
Lest you fail, fall,
Fall.
lest you fall। उसे इसे लिख लो, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि तुम भूल जाओ।
Write it down. Last you should forget it.
Okay. Nice of you, ठीक है, good of you, यानी आपकी बड़ी मेहरबानी। आपकी बड़ी मेहरबानी कि आपने मेरी मदद की।
It is nice. It is nice of you to help me.
आपकी बड़ी मेहरबानी कि उन्होंने उनकी बड़ी मेहरबानी कि उन्होंने इंतजार किया।
It is nice of them to wait.
आपकी बड़ी नवाजिश।
So nice of you.
मेरी मेहरबानी है कि मैंने तुम्हें माफ कर दिया।
It is nice of me for give you.
It is nice of me to forgive you।
For give you.
इसका क्या फायदा है?
What is good of it?
कंप्यूटर का क्या फायदा है?
What is good of computer?
आपकी नवाजिश कि आप यहाँ आए।
It is good of you to come here.
इसे छुपा लो, कहीं इसे देख ना ले, ठीक है। Hide it, lest he should see it। आगे है जी, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि वो आवारागर्दी करना शुरू कर दे। Lest he should be street walker, ठीक है। या wanderer, lest he should be wanderer। कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि मैं तुम्हारी शिकायत कर दूं। Lest I should complain against you। आपकी मेहरबानी कि आपने मुझे याद किया। Nice of you to remember me, ठीक है। तुम्हारा यहाँ फायदा क्या है, ठीक है। What is good of you here? What is good of you here? आपकी नवाजिश कि आपने मुझे बचा लिया। It is nice of you to save me, ठीक है। आखिर इसका क्या फायदा है? What is good of it? ठीक है। बड़ी नवाजिश के आपने मेरी इज्जत बचा ली, ठीक है। Nice of you to save my honor। बड़ी मेहरबानी आपने मुझे कुछ पैसे दिए। Nice of you to give me some money। below, नीचे, ठीक है। शान के खिलाफ
Right below the line.
लाइन से नीचे लिखो। Right below the line। कभी भी टखनों से नीचे शलवार ना पहनो।
Never wear you shalwar below the
Ankle,
neck. Ankle.
ankles, ankles। एक अंकल होता है, एक ankle होता है, ankle गिटा होता है। यहाँ रहना वो अपनी शान के खिलाफ समझता है।
It is below him or leave here.
It is below him to here।
Right.
It is below him to live
To
here।
leave here.
मैंने अपने से कम घराने में शादी की।
I married below
my
station.
मैंने अपने से ऊंचे घराने में शादी की।
Above.
I married above my
Above.
station। कि बरकरार रखना या अपने पास रखना। मुझसे दूर रहो।
Keep away from me.
Keep away, दूर रहना। ज़्यादा फंडे हम मत बनो।
Keep your wages down.
Wings,
Wing.
ऐसे है ना विंग्स, कीप योर विंग्स लो,
Sorry.
अंदर मत आओ,
Keep out.
कीप आउट यानी बाहर आओ। मानसिक कैसी है?
Okay. How are you keeping?
वो कुत्ते रखती है,
She keeps dogs.
मुझे अपने बच्चे पालने पड़ते हैं।
I have to keep my children.
उसे खुश रखो,
Keep him happy.
वो अपनी रोजी नहीं कमाता,
He doesn't earn his keep.
वो बोलता रहता है,
He keeps speaking. He keeps speaking.
मैं सारा दिन पढ़ता रहता हूँ।
I keep teaching all day.
बैंक वो बकवास करती रहती है,
She keeps yapping.
या फिर यहाँ बारिश होती रहती है,
It keeps raining here.
मैं सारी रात जागता रहा,
I kept working all night.
बेकिंग, आई केप्ट बेकिंग ऑल नाइट। तुम क्या करते रहते हो?
What do you keep doing?
वो हंसता रहेगा,
He will keep laughing.
तुम हर वक्त मांगते रहते हो,
You keep going
बेगिंग,
begging every time.
वो सारा दिन रोता रहता है, वो he keeps crying, he keeps crying all the day, yeah, he keeps weeping all the day, weeping। तुम हर वक्त पढ़ते रहते हो, you keep studying all the time। वो सारी रात अल्लाह का जिक्र करता रहा, he kept remembering God all night, yeah, he kept calling God all night। अब वो अपने बेटे को झिड़कता रहेगा, now he will keep chiding his son, chide होता है झिड़कना, डांटना। बाप सारी जिंदगी अपने बच्चों की इस्लाह करता रहता है, father keeps improving his children, ठीक है। वो गाना गाता रहा, he kept singing, हम उसकी बातें सुनते रहे, we kept listening to him। क्या तुम ऐसे ही अपनी दौलत जाया करते रहोगे? will you keep wasting your money like this? कल तुम क्या करते रहे? What did you keep doing yesterday? ठीक है, What did you keep doing yesterday? तुम हर वक्त हंसते क्यों रहते हो? Why do you keep laughing all the time? मैं सारा दिन खड़ा रहता हूँ, I keep standing all the day। कुत्ते भौंकते रहते हैं, Dogs keep barking। मैं वक्त गुजारता रहता हूँ, वक्त गुजरता रहता है, ठीक है। Time keeps passing। क्या तुम सारा दिन सोते रहते हो? Do you keep sleeping all the day? तुम सारी रात क्या पढ़ते रहे? What did you keep reading all the night? वो गालियां बकता रहा, He kept abusing। तुम सारा दिन कहाँ बैठे थे? Where did you keep sitting all the day? Hell, दोज़ख, ठीक है, जहन्नम, जहन्नम में जाओ,
Go to hell.
Hell।
Hell.
मैंने उसे खूब नुकसान पहुंचाया,
I gave him hell.
वो बहुत तेज भागा,
He ran like hell.
He ran like hell।
Hell.
किसी खास मकसद के लिए नहीं,
For the hell of it.
जितनी जल्दी मुमकिन हो सके,
Read hell. Ride hell for leather.
Ride hell for leather। जहन्नमी,
Jahannami है hellish.
हेलिश।
hellish.
तुम्हें ऐसा किस कमबख्त ने बताया?
How the hell told you that?
तुम कमबख्त मुसीबत हो।
What the hell told are you?
What the hell told are you? ये told नहीं है, what the hell are you? ये गलती से लिखा मैंने, ठीक है? What the hell are you? तुम क्या हो? जहन्नम में जाओ, दफा करो इसे।
Hell with it.
पक्का यकीन।
Show us hell.
Sure as hell। ये क्या मुसीबत है?
What the hell is this?
वो खाक स्कूल जाता है।
He goes to school.
The hell he goes to school।
The hell he goes to school.
हाथ लगाना, इसे कोई हाथ न लगाए।
Nobody touch it.
मैं तुम्हें क्या लगता हूँ?
How do I touch you?
वो मुझे अच्छी लगती है।
She touched me nice.
Touches me। It is nice। तुम्हें फिल्म कैसी लगी?
He movie touch you.
How did the movie touch you? वो तुम्हें कैसी लगती है?
How does she touch you?
मैंने 3 दिन से कुछ नहीं खाया पिया।
I haven't touched anything for 3 days.
उसका मुझसे कोई वास्ता नहीं है।
Dad doesn't touch me.
बस मतलब की बात करो।
Just touch this point.
मैं तो बाल बाल बचा हूँ।
I was a near touch.
एक बार नहीं था। तुम अंग्रेजी में मेरा मुकाबला नहीं कर सकते हो।
You can't touch me in English.
तुम जरा पागल लगते हो।
You seem to be a little touch.
फ्लैट, हमवार, हमारी गली हमवार है।
Our street is flat.
भाई टायर की तो हवा निकली हुई है।
Oh, the tire is flat. बिल्कुल सीधा।
जिंदगी मेरे लिए बेरंग लगती है।
Life seems flat to me.
हमारा नया उस्ताद कोई दिलचस्प नहीं है।
Our new teacher is flat.
उसकी तमाम चालाकियां नाकाम पड़ गईं।
All the tickets,
All his tricks
all his tickets, tricks fall flat.
fell flat। मैंने तो उसे साफ इनकार कर दिया।
I gave him flat refusal.
उसने मुझे साफ साफ कह दिया।
He told me flat.
मैं तो बिल्कुल टंगा हूँ।
I am flat broke.
धंधा मंदा जा रहा है।
Market is flat.
ये इमारत गिर गई है।
This building is flat.
मैंने 3 मिनटों में उसे चुप करा दिया।
I knocked him flat in 3 minutes.
चित्त कर दिया, ठीक है। मैंने 3 मिनट में उसे चित्त कर दिया। चुप गए करते हैं, चित्त है। अब सब कुछ बर्बाद हो गया है।
Everything is flat now.
चपटी नाक वाला,
Flat nosed.
मैं चारपाई पर लेटा हुआ था।
I was flat on the
कॉट टुवर्ड्स तरफ, ठीक है। 4 बजते बजते मैं फारग हो गया।
2 volts, 4 o'clock I get free.
वो उस आदमी की तरफ भागा।
He ran toward the man,
आसमान की तरफ,
toward the sky,
शाम के करीब।
toward this evening.
हाँ तो अगरचे, yet फिर भी, हालांकि गरीब हूँ लेकिन खुले दिल का मालिक हूँ।
thought,
although
all those
I am,
I poor,
I
yet
am
upon I am poor, yet upon hearted.
although I am poor, yet don't real था, yet open hearted. हालांकि बारिश हो रही थी, लेकिन फिर भी मैं आया था.
All those that was raining, I come.
It was raining, I came. हालांकि ये मुश्किल है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं इसे करूंगा.
All those it is difficult, I will do it.
ये वाली बत्ती जला दो, आँखों में पड़ा. I think although he is, हालांकि वो घर पर है, लेकिन फिर भी कहता है कि वो घर पर नहीं है.
Although he is home, yet say that he is not.
So that मैं यहाँ आता हूँ ताकि कुछ सीख सकूं.
I come here so that I can learn some things.
वो यूएस से गया ताकि पीएचडी की डिग्री हासिल कर सके.
He went to the USA so that he could get a PhD.
अच्छा जी, मैं इंग्लिश सीखता हूँ ताकि इस्लाम की तबलीग कर सकूं.
I learn English so that I can speak, preach Islam.
उसने मेरी खातिर तवाज़ो की ताकि मुझसे पैसे निकलवा सके.
She interests in
Entertained
entertained me so that she could get some money.
हालांकि वो बीमार है, लेकिन फिर भी काम करता रहता है. Although he is ill, yet keeps working. हालांकि वो बेवकूफ़ है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं उससे निभाव करता हूँ. Although she is foolish, yet I keep going with her. हम खाना खाते हैं ताकि अपनी भूख खत्म कर सकें. We eat so that we may भूख खत्म हो जाए.
Hungry.
To satisfy hunger, ठीक है.
So,
भूख को मुतमईन करना. To satisfy hunger, we eat, हम खाना खाते हैं. We eat so that we should satisfy hunger. We eat to satisfy hunger. उसे पैसों की जरूरत है ताकि वो अपना कारोबार शुरू कर सके. He needs money so that he should start his business. मैं किताबें लिखता हूँ ताकि लोगों को सही इंग्लिश फराहम कर सकूँ. I write books to provide correct English to the people. वो रोती है ताकि हमदर्दी हासिल कर सके. She weeps to get sympathies of others. वो जागता रहा ताकि उसे अपने माल की हिफाजत कर सके. He kept awake so that he can watch his belongings. ठीक है, belongings माल की तलबियत. Good job. Okay. Okay. Where are you?
I am at home.
Okay. Where do you get your information about train traffic?
I have arrival and departure time of trains.
Arrival, पहुंचना, departure, रवाना होना. Okay, where were you born?
I was born in Brazil.
Bangladesh. Okay, where is Jiru?
He is talking a shower.
Yeah, he is taking a shower. Whose tie is this?
It is mine.
It is mine. Why are you so excited?
I have won the first prize in the competition
Why are you studying English?
for what?
Um, you closed the window, didn't you?
Yes, I think so.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I am
Allergic.
allergic, aller-
Allergic.
allergic to
Cats.
cats.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can't speak English.
No.
I can't speak English.
Did you call Jamila?
Oh no, I forget. I will. I shall call here now.
Did you like the movie?
It was traveling.
Travel. Did you visit to London coincide?
We couldn't meet for lunch.
Do our visits to London coincide? We could meet for lunch. Okay, do you have a driving license?
Yes, I do. I always keep it in my purse.
Do you have a table for two?
Certainly, sir.
Do you remember your grandmother?
Yes, I always remember my grandmother.
Honey is good for health, is not it?
Honey taste and good for health.
Honey is tasty.
Tasty.
How are you feeling?
I am alright.
How did you come here?
By subway.
How many people does the auditorium seat?
The auditorium seats for 100 people.
How much does this cost?
It is $1.
Okay, how is it going?
Not bad.
Is the color of your shirt dirty?
Yes, the color of this shirt is dirty.
Of my shirt.
My shirt.
Is the color of your shirt dirty? Yes, the color of my shirt is dirty. It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Those shoes are nice, aren't they?
Yes, very nice.
What are the best hotels of your city?
It is difficult to say.
What are you interested in?
I am interested in
Foreign
foreign languages and music.
music. What color is your bag?
It is black.
What does your friend Tom look like?
Uh, he tell with a broad
Beard.
and blue eye.
Uh, he he is tall with a beard, दाढ़ी, ठीक है? And blue eyes. What is the best time to call you?
After 5,
What is the highest waterfall?
the highest waterfall is Niagara Falls.
Yeah. What team won the last World Championship in football?
The national team of France, who the last world
One,
when
one
won जीतना. The last world competitions championship football.
in football. Where is the pharmacy?
The pharmacy is next to the bank.
Which do you prefer?
Anything's well do.
Who will replace the clock? Who will replace the lock?
I can replace the lock in the door.
Would you like some ice cream?
No thanks, you it's too sweet.
Can you repair the dripping tap?
I can repair the dripping tap.
Okay. Did you build it yourself?
Absolutely.
Did you win?
Not I lost.
Okay. Do you like to read?
I didn't have the time. I don't have the time, but I used to read a lot.
Do you travel often?
Yes, I travel every year.
Have you presented her with a kerchief?
Yes, I have
Presented
presented her with a.
kerchief. क्या आपने फिर रुमाल पेश किया है? Have you read his new book?
It's rubbish.
Okay, how long do lions live?
Lions live to be 20 years old.
How much money do you have?
I only have $10.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not too fair.
Far.
Far.
Is a house made of stone or bricks?
The house is made of stone.
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 Sorry, what did you say?
I said, where are you from?
Were they at the party?
No, they weren't.
What facilities do you generally find in a hotel?
There are the following
Facilities,
facilities in a hotel:
currency exchange,
currency exchanges, shoes repair,
laundry,
laundry, hairdressers.
hairdressers. What would you like to do now?
Let's go
Hang out.
hang out with Tom.
No.